Beef 1 kilogram with fat. Potatoes 5. Ginger garlic chopped 4 spoon. Onion to chopped. Let's start cooking. Yogurt 4 spoon. Vinegar 3 spoon. Ginger powder 1 spoon. Coriander powder 1 spoon. Turmeric powder 1 spoon. Chili flakes 1 spoon. Salt as required. Mix well. Leave 10 minutes. Cover and cook on low flame 30 minutes. Fry 2 minutes. Add potatoes. Cover and cook on medium flame 3 minutes. Add green onion. Fry 2 minutes. Add water 1 cup. Sprinkle garam masala 1 spoon. Cover and cook on low flame 10 minutes. Ready to serve.